Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how I tie a surgeon's loop knot. It's really quite simple. I'm going to fold my line in half and with it start the makings of an overhand knot. This is going to leave me with two loops, one on the right and then one on the left. I'm going to take this one here on the right and thread it through the one on the left. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And now this is the point where I'm going to determine what size loop I want. So if I want a smaller loop, I will take the tag in the main line here on the left and start to pull the knot tight. That's going to leave me with a smaller loop. But let's say I wanted to have a larger loop. What I would do instead of pulling on the main line and tag in, I'll pull on the loop to open it up like this. But when I've decided what size loop I want, I'm going to wet the knot with some spit so it slides together easier. Then I'm going to pull on the main line, tag in the loop in opposite directions to pull the knot tight. And then for good measure, I'm going to pull on the main line one last time, as well as the tag end. Then I'll trim the tag end, and that is how I make a surgeon's loop knot. If you found this video useful and want to check out more fishing knot tutorials on my channel, I got a couple options you can pick from right here. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.